There needs to be an easier way than this.
Then you know what, Stevie? I've got the solution for you.
And what I've got is some ShadowFoam. We're basically going to convert one of these into our socket storage box. What it has is loads of these. So basically we need to take all these out. And there's also some little plastic dividers that don't seem too thick. So I think what we'll do is we'll just cut them out, and then we've got our basic little toolbox that we're starting.
Yes, slowly.
So this side's never got any further, have we? So that's how I cut that out anyway. So let's get down to the action. So I've watched a few instructions on how to do this, but it's like everything, I suppose. You've got to sort of do it yourself to find out how easy or hard it is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to straight edge the box. So along there I've got the straight edge to the side, and I've got the straight edge to the back of the foam, or the top and the side of the foam. And then with my trusty scalpel, so it's a little bit messy. Wasn't as easy as what I thought it was going to be, but hey, one of them things. I'm now going to trace around the sockets, or even decide where they're going to go. I think maybe something like this. So that's it so far. That's the socket in. So now let's see if it fits. Oh Yes. There you go. So there's the sockets in. So the next one is I'm going to have another layer in, like this here, and that there, I'll have all the ratchets in. So now I just need to quite tight there. Okay, let's carry on. I will call that a success. Happy days. Happy campers. So what we've already done is scale down a lot of our tools into this toolbox, which left me sockets as you've seen. So anyway, scale this down. Basically a few spanners, there's a hacksaw in there, emergency hacksaw. There's a few spanners, a few bits, drill, tape measure, there's like some ratchet spanners, there's some gloves, there's a few electrical screwdrivers. So that's it, folks. That's exactly how we've compressed all of the tools that we're going to carry into these two handy boxes and one very tidy little socket set.
Fantastic, isn't it? I'm just thrilled that Stevie's managed to sort out all his tools, so it's a winner all round. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate it. Don't forget to like and leave a comment down below. And as always, if you've got any questions about our van, please just ask away. We're more than happy to answer anything that you want to know. Also, if you haven't already, why not consider hitting our subscribe button? It is completely free and it really helps our small channel grow. Anyway, that's it for this week. Next week, we won't be coming to you from our kitchen, and we'll see you soon. See you later. Bye.